Hi everyone, welcome to the review of the Blenzia 32-inch stainless steel workstation kitchen sink. This is a premium double bowl undermount sink that combines durability with innovative design for the modern kitchen. This is crafted from premium 16 gauge 304 stainless steel. This handmade rectangular sink offers exceptional resistance to scratches, stains, and rust. It has very generous dimensions of 32 inches by 18 inches with a depth of 10 inches. So this is very ample space for all your kitchen tasks. And what sets this sink apart is its innovative workstation design. This is an integrated ledge system supporting sliding accessories, allowing you to maximize your workspace while keeping your countertops clear. The sink features two steps for placing accessories and an X-shaped water flow guide line for efficient draining. The complete package includes essential accessories, a bottom grid, drain assembly, coriander, basket strainer, cutting board, mounting hardware, water trap, and even a faucet. So similar premium workstation sinks from brands like Kraus or Roviti often highlight these same professional grade features. For homeowners seeking a premium, space efficient kitchen sink, this is the one. And the reason why this is the one to get is the Blenzia workstation sink delivers exceptional value with its commercial grade brush surface and multifunctional design. So I'll leave a link down below in the description so you may purchase it. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video.